Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. And also don't forget to smash the like button. Sad news for Cindy McCartney. Cindy McCartney has lost her mom today. Hambe lapha ku Instagram wayoposta ama-pictures akhe namakwakhe abhala nje indlela ababuhlungu ngakhona kulo mhlabeni kwamakwakhe. So ubhaleke ukuthi rest in peace mom, you fought the war is now over. Ngiyakuthanda sithandwa sami, yaze yabuhlungu intando yaNkulunkulu. So imessage yakhe, it shows ukuthi her mom was sick and uyasho ukuthi the war is now over. Ulwile makwakhe but the war is now over. She further said ukuthi intando yaNkulunkulu yaze yabuhlungu. Guys, so people were sending my condolences messages to her, bakhomenta nje nalaphana basho ukuthi inkosi yami adudu ukuthi it's so painful shame but so ulele now mama so uphumlile. So ukhulumile nje ukuthi God is really taking his people because my mom was such an angel. Ngiyazi kodwa uNkulunkulu ngeke anginike umthwalo ongaphezulu kwamandla ami. So she was saying ukuthi uNkulunkulu uthatha abantu bakhe because her mama was an angel nokuthi futhi bekalungile. So she further said ukuthi she knows ukuthi uNkulunkulu ngeke azamnike umthwalo longedulu kwemandla akhe. So people were saying nje ukuthi condolences emndenini wakhe. So sichubekela phambili singena endzabeni ya Oscar and Lerato Pasha. So Lerato Pasha and Oscar Mbo welcomed their first child today. Gani abapostile lapha kuma social media platforms and people were like, "Hey bo kanjani oh." So Lerato Pasha has been quiet lapha kuma social media platforms. Sakuthi uthandza kakhulu Instagram but kulamalanga she wasn't someone alobeka poster even in my stories. She was quiet. Only to find out ukuthi girl was busy baking and namuhla abathole umntwana wakhe. So nokuthi uOscar Mboni umntwana omfana, meaning second child yakhe leni Lerato yena first born yakhe. So they were so happy. Shame even my pictures people were saying ukuthi what a secret naze nayiqina imfihlo sibona njena sekunemntwana. So some people were saying ukuthi why Lerato ashesha vete buso bemntwana. Guys, it decision yakhe we cannot really tell abantu ukuthi bendeni ngebantu ababo. So if she's fine with that, then who are we to judge? Lesingasho nje kona sithi congratulations to them. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.